MooseRunner is a powerful test runner for Unity that integrates with HotReload and provides good control over game time, making your testing faster and more fun. Let's start by running some tests. Even though we saved time, as seen here, just under 5 seconds we saved 35 seconds. Let's skip to something more visual. Here we go. That was quick. You probably missed it, but the dying test failed, as you can see. Let's focus on that. We can slow down time to see what's happening. Each test have its own time, which can be set here. Or we can set a max time scale limit here. Let's set it to 1. Now run just the dying test one more time. Still not dying. Let's see exactly what happened when it hits the first block. We can set a pause time. Let's say 1.3 seconds maybe. And run again. Not quite there. Let's single step the last frame. There, 1.56. Let's set that as a time to pause. And we use the manual here to just complete it. And now we can look in the code. Oh, it looks like the dying mechanism was disabled. How silly of me. With HotReload, as soon as I save, MooseRunner automatically reruns the last test after HotReload are triggered, if you want. And now you can also see that it has paused. Now let's continue normal speed. And the character dies as expected. Wonderful. Now it works as intended. And that's MooseRunner, streamlining test development and debugging effortlessly. Time saved, bug squashed, ensuring seamless execution.